Alright, let me actually open up chat real quick because I can't see what you guys are typing. Okay, there it is. Now I got it. So what I'm doing in this live stream is teaching you guys how and where you guys can find the code and get the code and actually code add-ons and scripts for Minecraft. So if you guys look at this world is highly modified. So if I shoot a player with this bow, it only has quick charge 3 and unbreaking, but if the arrow hits the player, they instantly die. So it's basically one-shot bow PvP, and as you guys saw, I just dashed right there, so let me try shooting this villager. Oh, okay, there. You guys saw I just shot the villager and it died instantly. And if I crouch and jump, I can dash. That was a horrible view. Let me redo that. So I'm gonna jump over there, crouch and jump, and I got here. And as you guys can see, there's a title bar with an animation there. And here's a menu. It's really cool. There's shop. You got people can buy stuff. And yeah, this is a real world that I kind of host. It's not like a server that I do. It's just a world that I just mess around with and stuff. The maps are here too, but the point of this live stream is to actually teach you guys how to code. So let's get started. I'm gonna first show you guys where you guys can get the modules and information from. So you guys can go to Microsoft Learn. I'm actually gonna let me get a link of this. Let me find the part, the most useful part that actually gives you a lot more information. That's a lot useful. I can't find it, can I? There it is. No, just went away. Okay, I need to. Just gonna go all the way up, and after. Hey, I came across your channel recently, and I'm really impressed with your content. I have a few ideas that can help grow your channel. I'd like to connect on Discord. My username is streamteam_2. Okay, that's good. Alright, let's go. I'm trying to find it. I still cannot find it. It was Test. Okay. I'm sorry, guys. My sister just called. It also, I use my phone as a microphone because I don't want to buy a new one. It's just a waste of money. Like iPhones, microphones, I don't see a difference. I feel like my voice sounds the same even through my iPhone, so I just use it. Now let's continue with this because I wasted a few minutes of your guys' time. So let's. How do I join your Skygen? How do I join? I don't have a Skygen anymore, but I can. I actually, on my Discord server, I have giveaways channel, and you guys can get stuff from there. So I have posted a download link for my Universal Hive Gen Skygen, where you guys can go download it from there. Where is it? After events, Microsoft. There it is. Finally. Okay, so here's the stuff. So there's entity die. This is sometimes kind of. I don't. I use it sometimes, but not really. It's useful for detecting. So for this world here, I use that code only once for detecting when a player dies. Now let's go back here. I'm also going to be coding some stuff to show you guys how these work, and I'm going to explain what these things mean. So hit lock. Now I'm going to go hit entity. Actually, yeah, let's just go and hit entity. So what you're going to do once you find the module that you want to, once you find the thing that you want to use, you're just going to click it so you guys can also event fires when an entity hits another entity. So it can be with using an item or whatever they're using. So it can't be with like an arrow. So if I shoot someone, that's not a hit entity. That's projectile hit entity. Now we're gonna click this area here. That link, not area. Well, it's an area, so it's fine. And then here's a method so you guys can use subscribe, and I'm gonna show you guys what that means. So if I go to files, you guys cannot see that now. I'm gonna open this one here. I'm gonna also open Notepad. So I'm gonna open that main.js file. This is the world for the hyperdash. So here's my basic setup. So here's the subscribe method. It just if on so this does not work. So this I've been testing it and it does not work. So let me change it to something else. Subscribe. So I'm gonna use the method subscribe. And here's some little explanation. My favorite video from your channel has to be our most popular one. Gaming Grinders updated version. What scripting in Minecraft? Okay, so someone asked what scripting in Minecraft is, and I'm actually gonna give them a quick explanation of what it is. If you guys know, most of you guys probably subscribe to me because actually that Skygen video is where most of you guys came from. Here is the add-ons that I've created. So these three are created by me, and they're really amazing. Oh, most of you guys are actually here for Skygens and tips on how you guys can improve your Skygens. Go to this link. I'm actually gonna click on my profile here, copy that, paste it in there. Now you guys can go ahead and click on that link. You guys can go and check out some of the add-ons. So here's the top 6 add-ons, no, 5 add-ons. So this one, and this one are the top 5 best add-ons that I've created. Here's the admin menu. This is a basic moderation tool. So what this um, documentation here of Minecraft scripting is just basically documentation about different modules, APIs, and a lot of information about scripting and how to create these add-ons that can help Minecraft creators improve their world. and improve their creations. So here's this for example. It opens a menu when you type .admin menu, and you also have to have the admin tag. It opens this menu with all these options, so you guys can teleport to a player, ban a player, mute a player, freeze a player, and then a lot more. So inventory C, and their chest clear a player, spectate a player, and then clear chat. Now I'm gonna give you guys a rundown of this too. This is advanced floating text, so you guys can add these text with these animations. You guys can create a new text, you guys can edit text and then create a leaderboard. You guys can also delete the text. I don't have it there because this is the old screenshot. Here's an example of leaderboard. So coins leaderboard. So I have 2 coins, so I'm number 1 in the leaderboard. And yeah, a bunch more. So here's more kills leaderboard, that's leaderboard, a lot more. And then chat ranks is same thing. Chat ranks basically. It's really useful. So you guys can see custom names. So chicken rank, and then that's my name. And this is also in chat, so you guys can see this is the emote actually. More photos. Yeah, no, I'm not gonna use that. Where is that? Okay, that's all actually. Now let's also talk about this. Since we're on the topic of how you guys can code those things for yourselves, let's talk about this page that I've created. You guys can, once you guys go to this, I'm gonna paste the link here. And by the way, ender pearl thingy from your first video does not work anymore. That thing does not work, but guess what? Instead of using an ender pearl, you guys can instead use a chat command. So let me close this. What? Close, close, and close. So with MCCH Minecraft Creator Hub, you guys can. So instead of most of you guys are from the Skygen video, and most of you guys know this ender pearl where if I click it, I just teleport to hub. But most of you guys are saying that does not work anymore. Yeah, it does not work anymore because the Minecraft has changed the execute command. You guys see it added a lot more stuff. But instead of that, now what you guys can do, because I have this website, it can allow you guys to create your own custom commands. So slash TP command 000, right? It'll teleport me to 000, which there's a block there. Now, what I let's say I want to create a command where it just teleports me. So if I do dot TP spawn, no, dot TP hub, it does nothing. But if I use Minecraft Creator Hub, which I'm not going to showcase how to do that because there's a lot of videos on Minecraft Creator Hub tutorials, I can descriptor and go here, chat commands creator dot TP hub run command 0 tick delay TPA at S 100 zeros. That's the coordinates for hub, and then I can just do generate code. As you guys can see, it generates the code. And you guys can copy this and paste it onto quick tools. So let's go to quick, so copy that and paste it onto script add-on creator. Paste it here, type main, enter name description, download, and then import it to Minecraft. Easy, super easy. I play Bedrock Edition, so I don't do Java content at all. I hate Java Edition. It's horrible. Scripting, modding, add-ons, everything is really hard to do in Java Edition. So if you guys are new, you guys should start off with Bedrock Edition because most people who play Java Edition end up quitting and hating it and say it's really boring because you really can't play with a lot of other people unless you join a server, so you can't host a world. Now let's talk about this here. So let's go back to this. Can I add you on Bedrock? Yes. So here's the stuff. Let's see. Here's a method where I can use. So it's well, which one was I doing? It's the hit entity one. So if I go to Notepad, I'll just do this. So here, so you can type world.afterevents.entity, hit entity, dot subscribe, and whatever variable you guys want to declare. So I'm gonna do MCCH because I was updating Minecraft Creator Hub, but for now I'm just gonna do events so you guys can understand what I'm talking about. So damaging entity. So if I go back here, let me get rid of Notepad now. So if I go back here, click here again, go here, and then click on that, you guys can see there's damaging entity and hit entity. So let me copy both of them, show Notepad. So damaging entity is, so I'm going to do event dot damaging entity. So this is just whatever thing I put here is that's what I put here. That's the variable. And then I'm going to do the damaging entity is declare. And then I'll do target event dot hit entity is going to be the entity that was hit by the player. I'm going to do world dot send message. Let's see. Let's do. What are you guys yapping about? At another day, can you update Minecraft Creator Hub um, so can do custom UI, so can drag sidebars, buttons, toggles, elements, search, and more. Oh yeah, I'll do that, but I was planning on adding a lot more things. So here's my. Where is that now? No, it's not that. There it is. So here's the new spoiler alert. Here's the things that I'll be adding to Minecraft Creator Hub. So I'll be adding hit entity, I'll be adding player break block, and then so what these do is if you guys check this area, you guys know there's one here which is click item. So I'm gonna be adding more of those stuff so you got players can test for more stuff. So this will be able to run stuff when a player places a block. This will do when player interacts with a block, interacts with an entity, uses an item on a block, or I think entity. It works on blocks and entities, I think. I'm 100% sure it works on blocks, but I don't know if it works on entities. I'll be adding these two. Now let's. Oh, you guys could not see that. My bad. I should have closed Notepad, but too bad. Anyways, so player dot name or yeah name hit target dot type ID. Now I'm gonna save that and exit. Um, close these two. Slash reload. Missing in the why? Okay. Hit entity. Oh, where's Notepad? Okay. Yeah, this is a horrible live stream. I'm not that of a professional YouTuber, so I just do it as a hobby. Like I don't get paid to do this, okay? Player. What is problem? Will that send message? Type ID. Damaging entity and hit entity. After. Oh wait, hold on. Missing. Oh, okay, that might be before events. No, that should work for both of them. Okay, this is so annoying. Like every single time I'm doing a video, there's something wrong with this stuff. Event that's declared. What is wrong with this code? Let's see, what line is it talking about? 21. 21. Oh, okay. Now if I do slash reload and go back to Minecraft and close Notepad, you guys can see if I slash summon, I'll summon Iron Golem. So if I hit this dude, it'll say OrzubekYT, which is my username for Minecraft, and you guys can friend me. So if you guys want to play on my world, so for example, this world, you guys can join. No, you guys can't join right now because it's invite only. But if I hit this, now you guys can see it says OrzubekYT, hit Minecraft Iron Golem. And there's also different methods for this. So there is player.id. So instead of player name, it's gonna get player ID. And for this, it can also get target entity .id. But for now, I'm just gonna do that. So let's do this now. If target dot type ID equals let's see, let's do Minecraft Iron Golem. It will do world dot where did it dot send message you hit an Iron Golem. Run. Okay, I'm gonna do it so it only sends a message to the player, and that's gonna be sent to the world. And I'm gonna also color this. Okay, now slash reload slash game mode. Oh, you guys can't see it. I need to close Notepad again. Slash game mode D, and if I hit it, there you go. It says you hit an Iron Golem. Run, and now I can just crossbow this one shot. What? Hold on, bro. What is this? I can just dash away and it won't be able to kill me. Oh, I hit him this. Bro. Whatever. Yeah. Well, you guys can see what I'm doing with this code now. So basically, this code right here, this simple ignoring this. Like, from here, all I would need to run this code would be, this. That's all. That's all. So it's basically this few lines of code can be a detector for detecting when. So like I could just post that as an add-on. So it'll be like Iron Golem player hit detector or something like that. I don't know. So if I hit this Iron Golem, it'll say you hit an Iron Golem. Now you gotta run because it's gonna destroy you. Because like 2 hits, I'm dead. Oh, yeah, I died. Now if I go back here. Oh wait, did I? Yeah, I did not save it. That's good. That's good. Okay, now I'll just go back here. So that's all. Now let's move on to the next stuff because I want to teach you guys a lot, as much as I can. Why? Okay. Test. Okay, I should really just put my phone onto do not disturb mode because this is annoying now. Okay, I did it now. I don't think it's gonna be interrupted now. My dad was calling. Oh yeah, the chat. I'm gonna read it now. Or is bro message retracted and stuff? Let's see. Another day, can you? Yeah, I will. Is a very trusted user. Blah blah blah. By the way, my name is called Sun. Boom. Okay, great. Um, it's very trusted user, and they're good and following rules. Okay, that did not make sense at all. Okay, let's continue on with this, I guess. So there's hit entity, there's hurt entity, there's entity spawn. So if a zombie spawns, you guys can detect that with commands. Explosions, so TNT explosions, entity like creepers and stuff. Game rule, so chain. And then I'm gonna skip these because these are really advanced. Like you guys don't even use them. And item use. Item use is really useful. So you guys remember that compass? Where's that? No, I'm not trying to do that. So you guys remember this compass? If I click on this, it does something. So if I click on any item, it can run a command. Now, how I do that is by using item use. So if I go here and then scroll down and go here, I can check for these stuff. So source, item stack, and a bunch more. And I also have it here. So Minecraft Creator Hub, you guys can, bro, go back. You guys can just ask, you guys can just fill in stuff and Minecraft Creator Hub can do that for you. So item ID would be, let's do Minecraft stick. And then it'll say you clicked Minecraft stick item. Easy, really easy, and really simple and really fast. You guys can see it generated all this code within milliseconds. And I can go ahead and run this code. And if you guys don't know like where and how I'm running this code, what are you guys doing? No, I'm joking. You guys are fine. So it's the video is beginner friendly. Like if you guys just watch it right now, just because you're interested, because most of you guys subscribing to my channel are kind of similar, like in the category of creators. Because people who watch my videos have an interest in becoming a creator. So either they create a skygen, either they create add-ons, they're like kind of like leaders, like they host worlds, they become the creator, they are the operator, they are the admin, so they're some way associated with being a creator, which is really good. Instead of being the mob, like just joining people's world, having fun, you create your own fun. It's really good. So now that I pasted that code in, I can save and quit, and then I can go here, close that, slash reload. Now if I give myself stick, if I click it, it'll say OrzubekYT, you clicked a Minecraft stick item. That's really cool. Let's close notepad. That's basically how this works. Item use on is basically when you click an item on a block. Not really many use cases, but one use case was on Grinders, which is a server that I hosted a while ago, and I used this for detecting if a player used a crate key item on a crate to open and get random rewards. This, oh yeah, this one. Player break block. So this is good for For this, for example, let's actually do that. Where is it? Where is it? There it is. Player break block. And then I can go here, and then we're gonna ignore this. That's kind of advanced. Item stack. Wait, what? Oh, okay. I did not know this. So, item stack after break. What? Wait, hold on. Isn't it player break block after event? Yeah, okay, it's good. I'm gonna do before events though. So if I go to notepad, I'm gonna remove this stick command now. And okay, so I'm gonna do world dot before events dot player break block dot subscribe. Let's do event. It doesn't really matter what I do, so let's open up this area so I can put the code in. I'm gonna do so const block the broken block equals event dot block, and then const player equals event dot player. As simple as that, really. Like, look at it. How it took me less than a minute to code all of this. Now, actually, it's not programming, so you guys don't be like, oh, I know how to program. No, it's not. This is not programming. This is coding, scripting. Because programming is like programming a website. Well, this is coding and scripting. I don't know. I think. Do a suggestion. What? You're very good at coding. Thank you. GTG, buddy animation. I need to check that channel, but I'll do that later. So let's continue with this. So I'll be adding this to my calculator up too, by the way. Here's all the if statements that can be here. So if like player dot name equals blah blah blah. So if the player dot names equals that, then run these commands here. But if commands to run, but if I wanted to make it so if the player who broke the block, if that player dot has tag, let's see if they have tag minor, not minor with an O, it's E, so it's minor, not a person under age. It'll say player, no, it'll say world dot send message um player dot name broke block at okay. So now if I look here, where is it? Block dot locations and stuff, I can use that. So this is what I'm gonna be adding to Minecraft Critter Hub, so it's gonna make scripting a lot easier. For beginners and professionals, it's really, really simple and it's really fast and efficient. Um, to be honest, I'm pretty good at coding now, scripting, and I still use Minecraft Creator Hub, even though I'm good at it. Very epic question marks is here too. So this is scripting, by the way. So I'm basically teaching you guys how to script for the people who just joined in. 3 people watching. Yeah, okay. Let me see how many likes I got. Probably 0. Yeah. Oh, wow. Okay. Thank you guys so much. 5 likes. I thought I was gonna have 5. I should have more faith in you guys. Let's do block.location.x. So this right here gets the block, gets the location.x. You guys can also do like block.x. It's the same thing. It'll work. but I just do a location so you guys, when you guys see the word location, you guys are like, what is that? Oh yeah, it's location. So you guys can remember it, like the new people, because it's it's a lot of things to remember. So that's why I make it easier for you guys. And then this one is Z variable. This is the Y. So player dot name broke a block at location X, Y, Z. So it's gonna get the broken blocks. Oh, I should do that because I said event that the broken block should be replaced with this right here. So the event dot block is the block that is broken, and what I'm doing here, I'm gonna do let instead, so you guys know. So if I say let him win, you guys know that I'm telling someone to let some player win. So what I'm doing here is I'm saying let broken block uh, equal event dot block. So whenever I type broken block, the system is gonna look at this rule here and immediately uh, know that it should be event.block. So it's just basically a shortcut. So instead of typing two words, I can just type one word. I can even do one letter. So every time I want to type, every time I want to use this code here, I can just type X and then it will do that. But I'm not going to do that. Location X and blah, blah, blah. Now, I can, for example, I want to, instead of using this right here, I can just do this. So let name equal player dot name, and now I can use that here. So name. Now, when I run this code, it's gonna look at this rule and be like, okay, so the the scripter is saying name should equal player dot name. So it's basically gonna replace player dot name with name. Save and quit. Close, close, close. Slash reload. What was I doing? Okay. So slash add minor slash game mode s. And if you guys are like, some of you guys have played this world, if you guys are like, why am I in here? Because this is the best world I got for now. Like, it's not the best. It's just a pretty clean world with a lot of builds. So if I break this block, it'll say in chat, so since I said world, it's just going to send a message in the world to say world dot send message. So it's going to send message saying my name right here, because it said player dot name, so it's going to send that. And then broke a block at, and then it's the exact coordinates of this block, you guys can see. It's the exact coordinates. And where did that broken piece of block? I think yeah, I turned off tile drops. Now, what I can also do here, oh, bro, I accidentally clicked save and quit in Minecraft, which, that makes sense. Now it's the best. Can you make it? Yeah. Can you do suggestion, make custom UI right now? You use, bro, whatever. Now let's go here. Uh, let me get rid of this. So, what was I trying to do? What was it? Oh, yeah. So I was going to cancel the block. So, what I can do is events dot cancel equal true. And now what this is gonna do, I'm actually gonna let you guys think of what this is gonna do. So event is a thing that happened, and then cancel is gonna cancel whatever that happened. And it's gonna say, it's gonna do let event dot cancel be true. So let it let it cancel, yeah. And if I run that code, slash reload, if I now mine this block, it's gonna say player broke a block at that coordinates, but it's gonna also cancel the event. So the block is not actually broken. It's just it's immediately placed back right after. But it's different. So actually, I'm just gonna ignore that now. Let's also do broke a block at um block um type was. Let's do block. Yeah, was. I don't know if I should use past tense. I should is. Nah, I'll just do was. Um, broken lock dot type ID. Let's. Oh, bro, you guys. Oh, I forgot to open show you guys Notepad. So what I did is I put a period. So block dot block type was broken block. So basically this dot type ID. So it's gonna get the broken block, and then it's gonna so the dot is like and so the word and so it's gonna and so get the broken block and the type ID of that block. And if I save and quit, if I now close this slash reload, if I do that, yeah, you guys can now see it said I broke a block at 410.3 and then period. The block type was Minecraft birch planks. Um, can you please update a custom UI into Minecraft Creator Hub now so can the sidebar do button? Bro, that takes time. It's not doable in less in minutes in a few minutes. Let me also show you guys one thing that I was working on, but it's been delayed for a while. Oh my god. Yeah, this thing here. And some of you guys using MCCH might have seen this. Copy. Oh, no, not save it. Copy. Try it. I'm gonna use this. Oh no, I can't use that. Okay. So, this is the menu here. Here's the scripts too. So, this is Minecraft replication of the menu. So, the modal format data slider. Here's a slider. It works, and I also use some scripts to change the value to detect. So this detects if the slider has been moved, and if it does, it'll get the value and then replace it with this part. And then here's toggle. Here's what I can do here, and that's the value. Only thing I have left to do is add the drop down. What I can just do is do a drop down like normally, but it's gonna be a horrible drop down. What I want to do is a Minecraft type drop down, so Minecraft uh, drop down and then a bunch of CSS styling, which is really annoying because like I need to match the exact colors. So if I go to form menu, for example, and then the background color, I can do RGB. Let's do 000. And now you guys can see it's black. So I have to open a Minecraft menu and replicate the exact colors or colors that can that is close to whatever it is. So that should make it a bit lighter gray. Let's do 200. That's a bit brighter. Yeah, that looks a lot better. For now, like I can also add more text fields, but then the menu looks horrible. So I need to add max slider max thing. form elements, max height. I'm gonna do 400 pixels. Let's see what that does. I'm gonna make this bigger. Yeah, and then the overflow. Where was that? Oh, elements. Where is it? Okay. Um, Z overflow. Y overflow. Scroll. Yeah, let's just do that. And now you guys can see overflow dot overflow Y. And now it's kind of like a real menu, and I'm gonna keep that. Now, if the user adds more like text fields and stuff, it'll just add a slider so you guys can just go scroll. And yeah, it's really cool now. I'm gonna save that into here. It's a bit of progress. It's 1% progress. If you guys are thinking, when am I gonna finish this? It's gonna be like, by next month, hopefully. It takes a lot of time. This menu alone took me 5 hours to code. And yet, this stuff, like this toggle, it still does not look like Minecraft. I try my best. Uh, item stack infos and stuff. Player, so it can also detect player emotes. So if you guys, where is it? So if you guys have ever played Hive, you guys, if you guys did not know, here's a fun fact actually. All Minecraft servers can be replicated. Like, if you gave me infinite time, like, I could replicate the Hive scripts probably in a few months. I mean, there's a lot of developers, scripters, and not programmers, coders, scripters working on Hive scripting team. So if I emote here, as you guys can see, it detected I emoted too much, so it gave me this error saying I can only emote every 3 seconds. And I was wondering how they detected if I emoted. Well, they used this thing here, so they can check if the player's emotes. So it'll return a string. I've never tested with this, so I think it returns a true or false value, or place ID. Oh, no way. They're actually gonna get. So what they can do with this script is actually get the. So if I use this emote, for example, the name of this emote is face plant. So if someone does some kind of emote in a world, instead of asking them, hey, what emote is that? Like, I wanted to buy that. I can just set up a script to detect whenever someone emotes, and then I can just make that script tell me what emote they did. Instead of asking them, I can just like use scripts. It's really fun. It's really amazing. It's really exciting to do this. Now, what is this dude saying? I've always wondered if you could make it so when you click a button to TP you, it TPs the nearest player, but do you think you would be able to code to detect the player who pressed the button and TP them? Yes. Yes, yes, yes. And here's one thing. There was TP one. I mean, there was detecting one for buttons. Uh, button push. There it is. So here's the script thing. So now if I go to, if I open Notepad and then open this server thing and then uh, close Notepad. So you guys can see it even gives you guys an example of how you guys can use it. But I'm pretty sure this is, yeah, this is outdated. Or maybe it's for Java Edition. Yeah, I definitely think this is for Java Edition. So some of the scripts are for Java Edition, but you can still use it. So let's get let's just copy this here. Okay, let's copy that. Go to Notepad. Uh, let's just not remove that. I want to keep it here. So world dot after events um dot button push dot subscribe. So button dot push event is that event location. Okay, I'm also gonna do const layer equal wait, hold on, I can't do that. Okay, let's instead do event for this and then do event dot button push event dot block dot load. Yeah, that's a lot of stuff. Yeah, dot block event dot push button. Yeah, that's a lot of pronunciation for me, and I don't talk a lot. It's kind of okay. Let me just drink some water. Okay. Let's do let me check because I don't know. This is my first time using this code, using this push button thing. Oh, this is TypeScript. So this one here is TypeScript because .ts and this. Oh, these are TypeScript. Okay. I mean JavaScript and TypeScript kind of similar, but I'm not gonna use TypeScript for that. Button push. There is really not enough information, but let's see if there's a. Yeah, okay. Let's still try. I don't know if it's gonna work, but let me open up Minecraft and go to Hyperdash, the world that I use. So event lock. Yeah, I'm gonna remove this. I'm gonna remove that. Flare and event dot flare. World dot no console dot error. Console dot error block. Let's also stringify them. If it was like JSON dot stringify. Let me just check my notes real quick. String. Why? Oh, okay. I was like wondering why did I change that? There it is. JSON dot stringify. No, I messed up. Okay, there it is. There it is. Block. Now it should just give me the whole entire thing because I'm just really like experimenting with this thing because I don't know how it works. So and then player dot name push button slash reload. Oh, there's an error in Minecraft. You guys can't see it. You guys definitely can't see it. But yeah, there was an error on line 30 saying something was missing. Oh yeah, that's easy. Oh yeah, and let me also show you guys my code. So slash token at 30 again. Hmm, there it is. Epic. And now the code is fixed. And what was it supposed to be? Oh yeah, button slash mode C. And if I get a button, block of undefined. Block is undefined. What if I do event dot event dot block. Yeah. Wait, what? Property name? The error changed, so it's good. Player event dot player dot. Yeah, this is not gonna work. I'm not gonna use this module anymore. What I'm gonna do is do this. So it's coming in Minecraft Creator Hub. Here's the alternate method of using it. So instead of using this, which this is not going to be Minecraft Creator Hub because it's not useful. Like instead of that, you can just use this, which is a lot easier. So I'm going to copy that, go to notes, do that. So now the only difference here is I'm not using event. I'm just using MCCH. So I'm going to do if block dot type ID dot ends with. Now let me go to Minecraft slash give at s button. Okay, so now if I look here, all of the buttons ID ends with underscore button. So now what I can do is go to Notepad again. Well, scripting, whatever you guys use, like VS Code, Coder, MCCH script, file editor, or whatever you guys use. Just go to that and open up the code. Ends with underscore button. So what this is gonna do is if the block dot type ID ends with underscore button, it's gonna run this code here. So it's gonna do player dot run command, and then it's gonna do let's see oh yeah, let's do TP. So what command should I run here? I'm thinking I should run. Oh yeah, let's instead. I don't know what command to run, so I'm just gonna do world dot send message. Um, player dot name press button at block dot x. So I'm just using block dot x instead of location dot xyz. Now I'm gonna open Minecraft slash reload and what? Why? It should work. It should work. Let me check the code again. If oh okay. Let's let's debug this real quick. I'm gonna do block dot type ID. So whenever I interact with the block, it's just gonna console error the block dot type ID. So if I what? Hold on, the interact isn't working. It's not even like this is. Oh, it's break block. Okay, player interact with block. Okay. So look. I'm not gonna do slash. Bro, I already did it. Anyways, let's continue. So now if I do that, it's gonna say I clicked wooden button, and it's gonna say OrzubekYT pressed a wooden button at 8:12:2. Now, what if you have a million buttons? That, and only when I click this button at coordinates 9, 11, 0, I think. No, it's 1. So this button's coordinates is 9, 11, 1. So only if I click that button at that specific coordinates it should run some stuff. So if block is a button and um, block dot x equals 9 and there's double and instead of just one, and there's three equal signs instead of just one equal sign, which is it's just fine. Just so you guys don't mistake like the let variables with these ones. So let and const are basically the same thing, but consts cannot be edited. They're constant, and while lets are lets. Um, let me, instead of retyping this a million times, I'm just gonna copy that and paste it 10 times. And then this with 1, and then this block dot z, this 11, and then this y. Press that button. Yeah, I'm gonna do it close, my gosh. Okay, there it is. Now if I click any of these buttons, you guys can see I don't get any message in chat saying I pressed a button. Now if I click this one, you guys can see I got a message saying OrzubekYT pressed the button at 9:11:1. And if I click any of these, it won't work. And now how you guys can run a command is it's really simple. So what I can just do is system.run. I can also do run timeout. Let's do that. So timeouts. So if I add a timeout here, then I can add a delay in ticks here. So how many ticks before it runs the command inside it. So player dot run command, and then I'm gonna do title at s title. Yay! You found the hidden button. Now let's go back to Minecraft / reload. If I click any of these buttons, it does nothing. But if I click this one, it say, yay, you found the hidden button, which is good. And then I need to fix these blocks that I broke. And now, I've always wondered how you can make it so, yeah, I already read that. Well, question marks, now your thing is answered. Wait, what? Is there anyone hold on, who's watching this video? If you guys are watching, can you just say something in chat? I just want to know if someone's watching. It says 3 people watching, but then when I go to participants, it says no one is watching. Oh, Minecraft UI, how to make direct messages can send a message to a gamer tag. Oh, yeah. Okay, so this dude is asking how I can get a player in the world and send a random message to a specific player. So, and he's saying, how do I do that in UIs? I'm just gonna do it here. Oh, okay. World. That was horrible. World dot send message. Let's see. Oh wait, it's not gonna send it to the world. It's gonna send it to a specific player. I'm gonna actually code a function for that function. Send message to player. Name. And then what I'll do, let me open up my notes. Get all world players of no players of dot dot yeah no. There it is. So now what I'm gonna do is put that in there. Now what I can do is if player.name equals name, then return hold on, wait. Yeah, return player. Okay, that's good. It took me some time to figure it out. Now what I can do is send message to player. Now I can do this and type in any kind of player's name. So, like, I can do OrzubekYT dot send message. Wait, no. Get player. I'm gonna rename the function to, instead of send message, I'm gonna rename it to get player. So, get player OrzubekYT dot send message, and then here's the message. The message is gonna be uh, memes and more content. Tent you suggested. Yeah. Now save. Bro, wait. Oh my god. I hate this. I hate this so much. I was coding all that and you guys couldn't see anything. My bad. So, what I basically did is coded this function here. So, get player function. Get player function. And then I coded this. So, memes and content suggested this idea. Content dude suggested this idea. So what this does is, so this is a function right here. This entire code is a function. And the name of the function is get player. So I can literally name this anything I want, but I name it get player. And then this is the variable that it's gonna send out. So this is gonna be sent to this function. And this is basically gonna be called name. And then it's gonna get all players in the world, in the world, and then if that player, and then for all players, from all of those players, if that player has, if the player's name is equal to the get player name here, then it will return player. So it'll say, it'll look for the player that the scripter is looking for. And if it's found, then it'll return that. And else, if else, return player not found. Let's do that. Okay, that is good. Now, what I did here is executed this function, and then I put in a name, and then I did dot send message. So after getting this player name, you did send message, and then blah 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 blah. Uh, hold on, did I save it? Yeah, okay, good. Now close Notepad slash reload. There you go. So found my name and said memes and more contents dude suggested this idea. Now if I open Notepad again and get a different player, for example, Apple dude, dude, and then save and then go to Minecraft slash reload. Yeah, I got an error. This is so annoying, isn't it? Where's it? What line? 24, 20. That's what happened? What is not a function? Okay, how about I just remove that, do that. Yeah, I don't even need that. And let's run this. Yeah, we got the same error. So it's just basically saying the player is not found. So if I do OrzubekYT, run this code. Oh, Minecraft is taking ages to load. On Minecraft, how do you send direct messages? Yeah. Okay, I haven't had a... What? Oh wait, hold on. Okay. Slash reload. And then, yeah. Now it's saying, since it found my name, it's saying that in chat, which is supposed to. So I'm gonna copy this function and just paste it in. Ooh, okay, that did not work. Let's just do that. And done. Okay, now you guys can copy that code, just paste it into your notes area or whatever. Use my name. Okay, and I'm actually gonna also copy that because that was a genius idea. Like, I've been coding for almost a year now, and I've never had that idea just to code myself a function that I can easily get a player name. That was really good. Data-driven entity. Effect add is I think. Oh yeah, so this is, you don't add an effect to a player. It's like you can just use the slash effect command instead. Effect add, it just checks if the player got an effect, and then this checks if it's dead. Alright, well, I'm gonna end the stream if no one else is asking questions. So it's really your chance to ask questions and learn how to code for free, while some others, like me, who paid $50, exactly 25 dollars one time to a person to learn how to code when I was new to scripting. $25 and then a bunch more, adding up to around $50 just to learn how to code. So if I go to Fiverr, this dude can actually make forms for you guys. Let's go to Fiverr. So I'm gonna do Minecraft scripter. Where's bro? Like, get out of here! I'm not gonna log in. Yeah, this Fiverr is not gonna allow me to use that if I don't log in. When you end stream, can you make custom UI for Minecraft Creator Hub? Is my suggestion. Use ChatGPT for fast. Yeah. Wait, what? Hold on. Custom UI for Minecraft Creator Hub? What do you mean custom? What UI? What UI? Where's what UI? Like, you mean this UI? So, Mr. Memes guy, like, do you mean this UI here? Like, finish up this UI? Is that what you mean? Or are you telling me to finish up these here? I'm definitely not gonna finish these right now, because I really have no idea how I'm gonna do it. Because each of this, so like, each of these are different things. So for each of these, I would have to make a different section in this page. And that would take me a lot of hours, like more than 10 hours, more than 24 hours, more than a month. No, I'm joking, not more than a month. I'm, I would, if I started on a project, I would not sleep until I finished it. I would sleep, but like, I'm kind of being sarcastic now. But Yeah, so individually coding all of this would take me ages. So I'm thinking of putting these in an array and then getting these if statements, which really just writing this out took me 2 hours. Well, actually, no, that's over exaggerated. Probably an hour. Yeah, that's all, an hour. I've just been looking through Minecraft Learn, Microsoft Learn. Let's see, custom element search, like search box, button slider, left slider, what? Left sidebar, chat messages, toggles, sliders, and more. Is this dude like, bro? I already have all that stuff. Look, so if I go to menu creator type 2, I can add a slider. There's a slider, so I can add the slider and stuff. But if you're talking about a preview menu, so if you're telling me to add a preview menu for the menu creator type 2, I will, but I'm just really not in the mood for that. Like, coding this menu alone, which is not even JavaScript, it's only HTML and CSS. Ugh, it took me a lot of time. And adding a dropdown and styling it and blah 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 blah. And then integrating that CSS and HTML into this will take me a lot of time. Like, I'm talking 6 hours to 10 hours right now. It's especially that I'm not super fast at coding and that I'm a solo developer. So like, while some other websites are worked on as a team, I'm the only one creating all of this stuff here. So it takes a lot of time, yeah. What else? Why did I? Let's see what else. Add a page custom UI. Oh, this dude is talking about custom. Bro, I can't do that. That's JSON UI. So you're so he's probably talking about Minecraft. What is it gonna be? UI. No, Minecraft UI is not small. Minecraft UI forms and styles. So the so memes and more content dude is probably talking about like this kind of UI maker for Minecraft, like not in HTML. Are you talking about that? I think he is. Like this too. Something like this, that, um, something like that. That Hive has a full UI. Yeah. No, I think that's what he's talking about, but make sure to go check out this Microsoft Learn. I'm really sleepy right now. But if you guys are a total beginner and want to learn JavaScript, subscribe to me, like the video, and I'll be doing more of this video. But of course, that's not going to help you right now. If you guys want to learn right now, I would suggest you guys going to W3 Schools, W3 Schools, JS, JavaScript tutorial. This might look like a lot of things to read, but trust me, just read it. Just read it. Learn JavaScript. JavaScript is the most popular programming language. Yeah, and then scroll down. You guys can see this is an example. Click me to display time and date. Yeah, you guys may be like, yeah, well, this is not gonna be helpful for Minecraft scripting. No, it is actually gonna be helpful. Look, for example, when I was talking about the let variables, you guys remember this, right? Let. So like let x equals 2. So whenever I type x, it'll just think that I put 2 instead of x. Yeah, it teaches about that. But you guys don't need to learn about lets anymore because I already thought you guys how to use it. Same with const operators, they're like equal signs and plus signs. So if it's greater than, equal to, or less than, and then arithmetics, which is like dividing, adding, multiplying, square rooting, and then remainders and increasement, decreasement, a bunch of stuff. Assignments, a lot more higher level stuff. But I would suggest you guys learn statements, output. Wait, no, hold on. This is not the right one. Learn the introduction. Actually, no, that's HTML. Just learn statements, syntax, comments. It's a simple and easy thing. Just put two slashes and you can put a comment. It's really useful for like keeping track of things and remembering what the code does. So like change handling. So this code changes handling, and I know that because it commented that. Variables and then let const operators. I wouldn't suggest learning about the arithmetics, but I would suggest operators, not assignments. Let me drink water. Functions, 100% functions. Whatever you guys do, make sure to learn this first. Not first, but after you guys are useful. Objects. Objects, yeah, I mean, this is kind of advanced. Like, this is an array right here. This is a string. Yeah. And I have a bunch of more stuff. Like, events. I don't think. Yeah, like, events is for HTML, and Minecraft events is different. For Minecraft events, you guys can learn it from Microsoft Learn, but for actual vanilla JavaScript, you guys can learn it from W3 Schools. It does the best for teaching and stuff. Uh, JS strings. Strings are basically this. So, yeah, this is all that variable and stuff. Arrays. You guys should learn about arrays. They're really amazing. Um, if where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Where did I? Yeah, so you guys should also learn about. I keep saying yeah like all the time. It sounds cringy. It sounds horrible. 2009. Jason. Jason is not really that important. I hate Jason. Errors. Let's check out. Let's check this. Yeah, you guys should also check out this. Try. So try block of code. The try block of code. So it can. So if I put console dot error parentheses err parentheses on Minecraft Creator Hub, add hold on, add a page so can do custom UI, full UI, or scale elements with toggles, sliders, X R2 do IGG's loading. For that, I would need to learn how to code in JSON, and it's really hard. Not, I don't think it's hard. It's just I have zero motivation to learn JSON. Like I have motivation to learn HTML. I have a motivation to learn JavaScript and CSS, but JSON, I hate it. My motivation for learning HTML, CSS, and JavaScript is because I've always wanted to create my own website. For JavaScript, my motivation for JavaScript is Minecraft. I love Minecraft, and I wanted to, since Minecraft has endless possibilities. It's just like Minecraft is a game with a future. Like Fortnite might go out of business in 10 years. Okay, maybe not 10 years, 20 years, 30 years. Minecraft is endless. You might get bored from Fortnite, but Minecraft, if you know how to create your own stuff, if you're a developer, if you're really good at like scripting JavaScript commands, or commands only, like you can have endless possibilities and endless amount of fun. And let's see, and if you're a creator or developer, you have to be smart. But if you're not smart, if you're bad at math, it's it's just a good thing for you to play Minecraft because you're gonna learn how to be smarter, I guess. Maps. This is pretty hard, but you guys should not learn about maps yet because maps can save data temporarily for the session. So if you type slash reload in Minecraft, a map JS map will just be cleared, like it'll just disappear. But you guys can use dynamic properties to save it uh like infinitely. Like what do you call it? What is the word? Yeah, my brain is tired right now. Whatever it is, you guys can check all this out. It's a lot of things to check out. I would say it would take you at max 5 hours to just check all of these out, whether you're understanding it or not. But you would get the gist of what JavaScript is. So next time when I show you code like this, you guys have never seen this right here. You guys would be like, what is this? Is this German? Is this Spanish? I don't get this. But if you guys check stuff out here, you guys when you guys look at this next, you guys be like, oh yeah, this is JavaScript. I know this. I can also tell you what this thing does. I can tell you what this does. I can tell you what those do. You can be a lot smarter. So learning programming languages is like learning a new language, like a new speaking language, like Spanish, German, Russian, and a bunch of stuff. But it's a lot easier because it's more logical. And for people who are logical, it's so easy. I learned JavaScript. I I first started off learning JavaScript with no one to help. I had no Discord servers. I did not even have Discord. I did not even know about this page. I did not. There was not even Minecraft Creator Hub. Minecraft Creator Hub is created by me. So if I did not know programming, then it would have not been here. And most of you guys would, some of you guys would not know programming, and you guys would not be able to create your own add-ons. Let me unlock this. Let me move it now. Okay, and yeah, I did not even know Microsoft Learn. The only way I learned uh, JavaScript and scripting for Minecraft Bedrock Edition is by going to mixheld.com and then just downloading some random script add-ons. Yes, I'm from Uzbekistan. I was born in Uzbekistan, but I live in the United States now. So I just downloaded some random add-ons like this, for example. Nah, that's too simple. Actually, no, I'm gonna use that. Let's go download it. Close that. Let's download the file. I got the file. And at first, I did not even know how to open this MC add-on file. But then I was like, cause I'm really a logical, uh, smart person when it comes to technology. I'm not saying I'm smart in general. I'm just smart with technology. I'm a lot more logical. Like I am horrible at word problems. I'm really good at math, but if there's a word problem, I hate it. And when there's like when there's on the EOC for my English class, I know English. I'm good at English. I can, but I just like your brain is just some people's brains are just really good at English and word problems, and some are good for math and logical and thinking, while some are just for like summarizing stories, reading stories, understanding stories. I'm not that good at it. I'm not that good at it. Like if I read a book, I'm like, what just happened? Like, why is this dude doing that? I don't understand it that well. Unless I read it and then I read a lot, like slow, like not super slow. I'm not that dumb. I'm just like my English. Um, I think I just don't have interest in English, like learning language arts, not English. I should say language arts. I have more interest in technology rather than language arts, world history, biology. I hate biology. I love math, I love technology, I love science, but not biology, though. Yeah, I'm just built for those stuff, not the word problems, language arts, and stuff. Well spoken chicken. Well spoken chicken, man. That is the best thing I've ever heard. See his notepad. Anyways, let's get started. So, how do I. So, if you guys are new, you guys learn by dissecting the add-ons and looking how they're structured, how they're made, how they're created. For that, you guys can go to Minecraft Creator Hub and then go to, I'm already on File Editor, but I'm going to go to Main Page, go to click on Menu, click on Tools, and then click on File Editor, and then just choose the file. Click this, and then choose the file that you just downloaded. It's not that hard. Just find the file and click it and open it, and it will say the file name, so it should match with the file name. And then here's the behavior pack, so I can just click it. But bro, no way. Like it always works. Now for this, it won't. Like really, bro. Let's try something like Bedrock server. Yeah, why does this work but not that? Is it just for like MC add-ons? No, it should work. Let's do that. Oh no, I'm importing it to Minecraft accidentally. Why? Why? Every single time I'm doing a video, it just does not work. Let's choose a different add-on. Like, uh, for example, this. Let's do some simpler add-on. Projectile ding. Let's do that. It's simple, I hope. And I hope it's not obfuscated. Okay. Let me just read some stuff. It's I don't know how to read Russian. Although I should, because I'm Uzbek, but Google Translate. It's just that in Uzbekistan there's exactly the same name. Yeah. Okay, let's see. Coding is very fun and it looks very interesting. But yeah, the way you learned was very difficult. Glad you managed to make the experience for other people less challenging and grueling. Yeah, thank you. Okay, let's unlock the content now. Let me just tell you guys one thing to clarify, like how I actually felt when I first opened it up, because at that time I really thought this was like a secretive hacker world, like where people don't share any information. Like there's a lot of coders, programmers a lot better than me, 100 times better than me. But guess what they do? They want to keep these codes secret. They don't want to create like Minecraft Creator Hub. I'm sure they could. There's 8 billion people on Earth, and at least a million or 1,000 of them like play Minecraft and know how to script, and they also know HTML and are better than me. Like there is a really high chance that there is, but they don't want other people to learn how to code because if they do, then those people who originally knew how to code won't be classified as smart or cool anymore. So that's why people keep some code secret because they don't want other people learning and being more knowledgeable about it. I just exposed I just I just exposed the whole coding and programmers mini secrets, I guess. I thought you were from Uzbekistan. By the way, no, I am from Uzbekistan. I was born in Uzbekistan and I am Uzbek. By the way, can you still make a video about creating a UI? Okay, how scummy, yeah. Let's see, so I can download this now. Let's download this, move that out of here. And I hope this works now. Let me refresh the page. Yes, no, why? Why? It does not work. Ugh, I hate this. Anyways, I'm just gonna edit this manually. I'm just gonna change this into a zip. And boom. It's still not working. Is this like a new encryption method that I've not heard of? Because this, like, file editor should be able to do this. It's not able to open it up. So I'm gonna open up files because it can't open it for some reason. But here it is. So I just basically converted it .mc. So I just replaced .mc add-on with .zip, and then double clicked it to open the .zip file. And then after opening, I get these contents here, these files and folders and documents. Imagine you do this off camera and it magically starts working again. It does, actually. It does. This is so annoying. I've had to cancel 10 videos because it happens. And if you guys start recording videos and doing stuff like me, you guys will know how it feels. So annoying. So I can open this main.js folder and then notepad. You guys can see. So when I first opened uh, a script add-on folder, I was like, okay, so what is going on here? It's like trying to read a whole new language. It's not impossible. Like if some of you guys don't know Russian, how to read Russian, but how do you think babies know how to speak? They did not have a teacher teaching them how to say. I mean, yeah, they did. Like their parents teach them how to say stuff, but how do they know what they're saying is what they like they're trying to mean? Whatever. I can't explain it that well. Let's see this code. So I was like, okay, so this might be the starter. I see. So I know before I started scripting, I mastered commands. If I did not master commands and went straight into scripting, I would be like, I would have zero progress right now. I would know nothing about nothing. I would know nothing about scripting. So let's pretend that I have zero knowledge about coding at all, programming at all, zero. I would first open this file up and be like, okay, so what is going on? What words can I see? It says this script is property of this dude. I'll be like, okay, what is this allowed to be here? I guess it will. It's saying import world from Minecraft slash server. I'll be like, okay, so it's importing something, maybe a file named world from Minecraft slash server. That's how I would understand it if I had zero knowledge. And then this one I would be like, okay, so it's probably getting that world that it imported and then using that world in here. And then I don't know what this dot might mean, but whatever it is. And then after events, so maybe something happened, and then after that, it does something. It so after that, it checks if the projectile hit an entity. I'm like, okay, so this part is just importing the world and checking for after things happen, especially a one that projectile hit an entity. And then I'm like, okay, what might subscribe mean? Like, okay, what do I do when I subscribe? I follow. So you're following that event, and then like moving that event, and then here's the content of what it does with that event. So then I'm like, okay, so it's saying let player equals event dot source question mark false. Like, okay, so what might that mean? I'm like, let is like you let something happen. So you let player equals event dot source. So whenever I say player, it equals event dot source. Right. Okay, then what might question mark be? Well, for a beginner, no one would know what question mark it means, but I'll just tell you guys. Question mark is if this is unidentified or null or not found, then just return false instead. Yeah. And if it's false, then this if statement fails because player, since it just says player, it runs this code only if player is found. If it's not found, then this question mark will return false, and this will be false. So this statement will be false, and this command here won't run. So then I would be like, okay, player dot play sound. Okay, so I think so if this was in Minecraft, it would be like playing a sound. And then the sound would be random dot orb. Okay, okay, okay. So you can also edit the pitch and the volume. That's how I would learn, and that's how younger kids learn because they observe. They're like, okay, what is that? What is this? That's how you learn. So that's how I really learned. I did not even think there was YouTube tutorials for learning JavaScript. That's how bad I thought this was. But now I know there's a lot of good people out there who make videos and stuff. Who also make these websites like W3 Schools to help you learn HTML and JavaScript and CSS. Without W3 Schools, I would not know how to properly make a website like Minecraft Creator Hub. It would not be as good as it is right now. Not gonna lie, probably how I'm gonna learn. Yeah, it's not gonna take that long. Like imagine, so a baby would start talking. How? Let's see. How long does it take for a baby to understand language? It basically starts at 6 months old. So babies can learn and start understanding what words mean at 6 months old. And that's exactly how long it, no, not that much, but it took me like 2 months to figure out what JavaScript is all about. And it took me 2 months to figure out that this code and, and where is it? Hold on, let me just get the source code for this. It took me a few months to figure out that this code here is a lot different than this code here. At first, I thought this is just programming. This is just programming. This is just programming. All of them are the same. No, they're not the same. This is JavaScript, while this part here is HTML, and this part here is CSS. So it takes some time, probably like it took me 2 months to learn how to edit code. I couldn't still code. Like I couldn't code independently. I still had to use some like add-ons and copy and paste them. And then after a few months, like 6 months, I started uh coding independently. Not gonna lie, that's okay. I already read that. I mean, website. Okay, I need to get rid of this. Websites like versus dislikes better. Okay, imagine it did it. Yeah, or is look my chat, then look my website. I don't understand. I don't get that. Anyways, let's see how long I've been streaming for, because I'm pretty tired now. I want to eat food and then play some VR and then go to sleep. Or I know you, I'm onside mitten229 from Minecraft. I've been on one or two of your worlds. When you started coding, did you know anything about command blocks? So, yeah, so first of all, I mastered commands. I was a lot better at commands than I'm at right now. So, scripting, you need, even though scripting might seem like a thing where you don't use commands, you actually do use commands in some way. In functions, so here's really a layout of how I am at the place where I'm at right now. So I first, it really just started off by this kid in school bullying me. He said I don't play Minecraft because my parents wouldn't allow me to play it or something. And then I was like, no, that's not true. I can download it, I can buy it, I can play it. And then I did. I downloaded it. I first downloaded it on my iPad. I did not have a PC back then. And the reason why I got a PC is because of Minecraft. It's like a lot of things happen because of this game. Like right now, if I didn't know about Minecraft, if that kid did not if that kid did not bully me for not playing Minecraft, basically encouraging me to play Minecraft, if that did not happen, I would not be this smart at coding and programming and a lot of stuff. Oh, said it's called, yeah, backstory, yeah. So after that, I downloaded Minecraft. I played, and then the first thing I looked at was like, okay, do you wanna friend me on Minecraft? And then he said, yeah. And then I opened a 2-player, no, 10-player realm. It was a free trial. I did not pay for a realm. It was just a free trial. And then we started building. Like I did not even know redstone. I knew zero about anything. I did not even know how to craft a piece of stick. I did not even know how to. I didn't know how to mine. I mean, pretty. It's pretty self-explanatory. Like if you click and hold on touchscreen devices, it mines. If you just tap, it places. I did not know how to craft, so I had to look up and search up and stuff. Then I started joining servers, like these servers, not those servers with IP address that I need to fill in, because I definitely did not know how to get IPs of different servers. So I first started with Lifeboat. I was like, okay, it's really cool. Wow. I don't know how I had the mindset that these servers were created by people like normal people. They're not created by some Minecraft gods. They're not created by Jeff. They're not created by Notch. They're not even associated with Minecraft. They're just partnering with Minecraft to be in the featured servers list. So I was like, okay, if this group of people, developers, were able to create this game in Minecraft, which which what is that word? Which claims to be an endless possibilities game, like, okay, then I should learn how to do those stuff. And then I started friending people, and I remember this. I first joined, it was, I even remember that person's name. It was Sky, something something with numbers at the end. It was a horrible Skygen. It was the worst Skygen world I've ever seen. Let me read these stuff real quick. There was that many websites like versus dislikes made on, yeah, okay. Epic origin story. You look. Okay. So then I was like, I thought he was some kind of Minecraft official developer or something. I did not know because originally I had zero friends. I had friended nobody. So I joined these servers and then randomly um calling people's names in chat and then asking them to friend me. So do that and then I friended them and then I joined some worlds where they were hosting and eventually I met a lot of people. And that's why I have 96 friends right now. And in total I have 2,000 followers and 1,000 friends, somewhere around 1,000 people have friended. And then I started learning Redstone. So I first learned Redstone, not commands. I would say I learned how to build a Redstone um, flying machine before I even learned slash TP command. After the Redstone stuff, I learned commands, then I loved it, and then I mastered it. And then I was like, okay, that's kind of boring. I want to learn more about it. And then I learned functions, and then resource packs, and then scripting. Thanks, thanks to Eons, which was a server, I bought Eon's code. So I bought the code so I can learn more from that code. And then Slayers was the one that actually inspired me to learn more about commands. How do you do a tutorial on how to make a time machine? Can you do a tutorial on how to make a time machine? Okay. Yeah, I guess. So, what was okay? Um, after that, I learned scripting, and then scripting. I just bought that code. So Eon's code. It was his name was AI Planet. That's a real Minecraft player. And then he was the person that I asked for help. Like if I did not know how to code something, I was asking him like, how do I code this? And if you guys know grinders, yes, you guys do know grinders. Grinders season 1 was all commands. Grinders season 2 was half scripts and half commands. And then Grinders season 3 was full scripts, zero command blocks. Zero, can you imagine it? I went from using all commands, zero scripts, to all scripts, zero commands, which is amazing. And that's how I really went. So learn how to play Minecraft, Redstone, commands, functions, and then scripting. That's gonna like give you an easy path on learning stuff. Yeah, I hope that helps you guys learn stuff. And then after learning scripting, I actually then started inspecting. So where is it? I'm gonna show you guys things. So I found that you can inspect websites. So if I go to inspect element, oh, hold on, it showed me in a pop out. Okay, so I found out I can inspect this websites. Then I started. I mean, I did not actually like. I knew this in third grade. I inspected and then changed my grade and then pranked my teacher about it on my Chromebook. But then, yeah, just basically inspect elements, stuff, blah, blah, blah. Okay, let me just get to this now. Step 1 complete, yeah. So basically, I just learned HTML after learning JavaScript and CSS. Okay, or is answer what at my website. Can you make a tutorial on yeah? That I was just telling you guys how you guys can learn this stuff. Link's blocked. Oh, if the link is blocked, then think of ways to bypass it. Split up the link. Split the link. Send piece by piece. Send piece by piece. There you go. How you make your gambling machine. A gambling machine. Yeah, let me just do the time machine first. Slash, bro, slash give at, bro, why am I opening so many stuff? Command block. There's shortcuts that open different windows, like file editors and stuff. Um, time, add 1000, no, 111. Let's get a Oof, there you go. That's a time machine. It's kind of cool too. Look at it. It's like the world is spinning, so it gives you the illusion. If you look at the sky, it gives you the illusion that the world is actually spinning. So it's like the world is round. Um, I don't know if you were talking about this time machine, but I don't know what else you would be talking about. So I can step out of this, step back in. It'll move it. It's a time machine. Basically speeds up time and stuff. And goes into the future. Yeah. Earth for real. Um, Google Sites View. I'm actually gonna go check that website in a private, in a guest mode first, because I don't want some that stuff on this live stream, especially. Then I'll have to delete the whole entire stream. Slash. Oh, I can't. What? Why is this? Oh. HTTPS dot sites dot. Why is this not? So I'm pasting this code in. Ooh, what? Wait. Okay, so it's not. I don't think it's anything bad. I'm gonna show you guys. Create comment. Okay. And is this only like one time only? Yeah, this is only one time. Let me inspect it real quick. Network. What about cookies? Is it saving it as a cookie? No. Yeah, so if I refresh, it just goes away. So it's not sending this to the server. So it's only client side. So this isn't, you can't, if I put a comment, it's just a private comment, just for me. So I can't send it, like, the other people can't view it. Anyways, this is a really cool thing. Try zooming in. I made zoom layouts. Oh my god, this is cool. Oh wow, this is. I'm gonna just. I'm gonna just go ahead and try it to see what this is. Eh, Whatever. I can't do that. How did... Oh, what? How did this person... What? This website's UI is so good. Like, how did you add icons next to the nav stuff? Bro, use ChatGPT. Oh, bubbles. Even with ChatGPT, this is incredible. It's really good. More bubble. Oh, it's just resets. Okay. Oh, okay. So I don't think this is a navigation thing. It's just doing hide elements and stuff. Oh my god, this is so cool. The bubbles, it's so cool. Yeah, whatever, but I'm gonna get out of here now. Anyways, that's gonna be it for this video, and people who just skip through the whole live stream, go back and watch the live stream. Like, at the end, like, at the end of the live stream, I don't really do what I promised to do at the beginning, so if you skip through the live stream, go back to somewhere around, uh, 30 minutes ago, an hour ago, and that's the part where I actually talk about scripting, and that's the part where I actually go through coding and how I code and stuff. I teach you guys how to code. So make sure to don't skip through and be like, I still don't know how to code even though I watch your live stream. No, you just skip through the live stream and not watch it fully. So make sure to go watch it if you guys did not. Do you think you might have time to host anything at the moment? Yes, I do, I do. I will go ahead and host this. And fix the script because it's giving me a bunch of errors. Those are for like the ones that you just saw. Those are for research pack. Break and stuff. Slash reload. Okay, now it's fixed. Go to spawn. Well, now I'm gonna end the video, and if you guys want to, you guys can also join and have fun in this amazing world of mine, which you guys can PvP and stuff. And I'll go AFK and eat some food because I'm hungry, and I'll drink some water. Alright, well, thanks for watching.